Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today we're continuing our veggie series, and this time we're turning up the heat because we're crocheting a super cute spicy chili pepper. It's bright, bold, and bursting with personality, perfect for keychains, bag charms, or just to spice up your crochet collection. Let's crochet this fiery and adorable chili together. Here are the materials you'll need for this project. 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, and a small tool for stuffing, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle. Let's start crocheting our spicy chili body. Begin with a magic ring, make a knot, then work 6 single crochets into it. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring, and slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 1, chain 1, then crochet 5 single crochets, and in the last stitch, make 1 increase. That means 2 single crochets in the same stitch. You'll have 7 stitches in total. Slip stitch to close the round, and remember to start each new round with a chain. We'll keep repeating this step for a smooth shape. For round 2, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Total 7 stitches, then slip stitch to close. Next, for round 3, chain 1 again, work 6 single crochets, then 1 increase in the last stitch. That's 8 stitches in total. Slip stitch to finish the round. And for round 4, chain 1, work 1 single crochet in every stitch, then slip stitch to end, still 8 stitches in total. For rounds 5 to 8, just continue following the pattern to increase gradually. Each round, we'll keep adding a few stitches to make the Cili body grow longer and slightly wider. This helps create that natural curved Cili shape. For round 9, start with a chain, then work 9 single crochets. In the last stitch, make 3 single crochets in the same stitch to shape the curve of the Cili. That gives you a total of 12 stitches. Slip stitch to close the round. For rounds 10 to 13, just continue following the pattern to gradually increase. This will make the Cili longer and fuller toward the center. Then for rounds 14 to 17, simply work 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, a total of 16 stitches per round. For round 18, start with a chain, then work 2 single crochets and 1 invisible decrease. To make the invisible decrease, insert the hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through both loops, yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Repeat this sequence 4 times. Then slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. Before the opening gets too small, fill the Cili with polyester fiber until it's firm. A pair of forceps or tweezers works great for stuffing tiny projects like this. For round 19, start with a chain, then work 6 invisible decreases. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Cut the leftover yarn, weave in the end, and fasten off to finish your mini Cili. Here the Cili body is all done. Next, we're going to work on the stalk, the little green part on top that really completes the look. Make a knot in a magic ring and work 4 single crochet into it. pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring, then slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. For rounds 1 to 4, start each round with a chain, then single crochet in every stitch. And slip stitch to close. For round 5, as usual, start with a chain. Then work 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase, and repeat this sequence once more. You'll have 6 stitches in total. Slip stitch to end the round. For round 6, start with a chain, then work 1 increase followed by 1 single crochet, and repeat this 3 times. You'll have 9 stitches in total. Slip stitch to end the round. Here the stalk is done. Join it neatly on top of the Cili body. Then weave the ends securely. Next, use brown yarn to embroider the eyes and pink yarn for the cheeks on round 14. And that's it! Our cute little spicy chili is all done. You can also try this pattern with different yarn colors, maybe a red chili or even a yellow one for a fun twist. Each color gives it a totally different vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for more veggie series crochet projects coming up next. See you!